Hi everybody, welcome back to Elisa's Adventures in Cruising. I have a package. I'm pretty excited about it and I thought I would do a little unboxing because I haven't done one of those types of videos in a little while. And this is something I'm pretty excited about. I hope it's actually what I think it is. I have ordered from this place before. It's a person. I've ordered from Sheena at Sheena's Ketovore Life before. She is an awesome reseller, and she often has cool stones and shells and jewelry, all kinds of cool things. And this, if this is what I think it is, should be something that I've been wanting to purchase from her for a while now, as sort of, I can't really call it a cruise souvenir because I didn't get it on a cruise ship. At and think about one of my cruises, or think about the time that I spent in the Caribbean, I think it will be nice. So all of my cruises have been in the Caribbean. So the Bahamas, Mexico, and the Caribbean islands. So when I think of cruising, I think of the beautiful blue water and all of those shades of blue, green, aqua color water that I love to see and can't seem to get enough of. Do you know what I'm talking about? Something like this. Oh my gosh. It is the half of the key. Yeah. You see what I mean? You saw the water. It's beautiful, right? We can't bottle it up and bring some home. We have to rely on our pictures, our videos, our memories until we can get back there again. So whenever I watch Sheena's show, she has lots of live sales, or she does a lot of sales, auction type sales on her live streams. I'm always hoping that she's gonna have what I think this is. So let me go ahead and open up the package and see if I'm right. I love how she has it so well wrapped and it's marked fragile. So hopefully they actually did take some care in getting this to me and it will be all great. Oh, looks like she packaged this really well. Okay, so inside the mailer is a priority mailbox, which this is like Christmas, you guys. Okay. And packing peanuts inside the box as well. And yes, pretty sure this is what I thought it was gonna be. She went through so much care of carefully wrapping this so that it would get here safely, and I'm like a kid at Christmas. Trying to rip through the packaging. Okay. I'm gonna say, you know how good things come in small packages. I think this is gonna be a great thing in a small package. Okay, so I've gotten through the bubble wrap, and it's marked again with my name and the price on it. Now, inside is this heart. Now, this is Caribbean calcite. It's obviously been a cut and polished stone, but what I love about this, and what I would always love to see when Sheena has some of this available for sale, is the colors. Does that not look like ocean and beach colors? It's kind of got the sandy colors right here, and then it's blue, it's aqua. It looks like the Caribbean, and it's a heart, so it's a heart. I love it. And this is I don't know what happened here, or if that was part of the original cut stone, but I don't mind it at all. I still think it's cool. I think it's like a little bit rugged, like as if you would have found this at like any other shell on the beach. It's not got its little imperfections, but it's still really pretty. So this is what I got from Sheena. She will have, I don't know where she gets her rocks from. She says she's got a rock guy. Her rock guy always has Caribbean calcite, and I think she gets it at a great price. I paid $10 for this, and I love it. It's very smooth, it's very pretty. I will find a nice place to display it and have yet another remembrance of my times in the Caribbean. Hope you can see the colors. That looks like Caribbean water.